Okay, then we now make our X-train data. I really appreciate your subscribe and likes and comments. It makes me happy to hear that. But if I don't have any subscribers until now, it's good. I do it for myself. I really enjoy doing this. I really enjoy. Okay, let's go. I want to make an X train. Now we make our X train and X test. Now what we're gonna do is create our model. How we can create our model? Let's say import our data and make it clean and separated. Okay, we do it by now. Let me okay, go to what we do after. We just fit our data. We are going to do regression. For doing regression, what we're gonna do at first, see our data and then train it by linear. Okay, let's see our data. plt.scatter data x data y. plt.scatter is the command, but data x is x train, data y is y train. As you can see, the scores are really what I say. It's gonna make great line, but I think somehow this line maybe should be good or not. Okay, let's see. Now we plotted our data. Let's write it. Plot a scatter and see our data. It's really important to put note for yourself to when you get back know what to do. Okay, after that what we do, we try to where is the learning? Okay, this is the learning. We say train our model. My comment writing is not very professional. It's just for you to understand well. We can do it in a professional ways, but it's good for now and work. Okay, I catch a little cold. I'm sorry. I excuse you. Okay, let's do the model. We create a model, then fit the model to X train. Sorry, y train, and then oh sorry, we do something right. Can you say we forget to change this to X train? What we do wrong? X train, Y train. Let me copy that. Sometimes we just write something wrong. What is the matter? Expected 2D but get 1D. Okay. We should reshape it or not. What we can do about it? It's because we use the comment. This we should reshape it. It gives us the let's reshape it. Let's add a cell X train equal to X train dot reshape shape. Okay, reshape. Let me just see something. Sorry for my cold if it's suffering you. It doesn't use reshape. How to reshape numpy array. Let's see how we can reshape it. What is the problem? I can't see. It's maybe because of this thing. It's making everything hard. Okay, but let's go and see. Let's see np dot reshape a. Okay, let's do it. Maybe we can reshape it like this. Let's go to our code. Is equal to xtrain. It's say np dot reshape by x train, and what it give us, -1 1. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it's 2. It gave us another error. Reshape your data either using array reshape if your data has a single feature, or array reshape if it contains single sample. Okay, let's change it. Where is it? Let's reshape it by. Okay, it gives us the problem. We have a problem here that needs to be solved. Okay, let's end this lesson here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We solve the problem in the next lesson.